Hello friends, how it sounds to get money from reading novels. Sometimes you lose your time by searching online how you can get money online, but you don't find a legit way of how you can do it. Stop searching now, because today I bring to you a legit way of how you can make money by reading novels. Try it and thank me after. It is easy and perfect. And after, you can redeem your money from this minimum amount of $0.5 to the millions money to your PayPal account. Don't miss, guys. This is worldwide: Asia, America, Africa, Australia, and everywhere on this world. You can use this way to get more money online. Without losing our time, let us start. By using this application Soul Novel, you can get money from different ways. Number one, you can get money by reading different original titles. As you see, there is many things you can read daily on Soul Novel and get money online. What I can tell you also, my friend, thousands of people are getting much money through reading different things on Soul Novel. My friend, let us jump to the second way of how you can make money from Soul Novel application. You can also use the referral ring to invite your friends, and when they click on the link, you share to them and they install the app through your link. They get money and you get money also. What I can tell you, don't worry by asking, how will I refer my friend? Because sometimes it is so difficult to refer some people and join through your link. But I will tell you the legit way and effective way of how you can just refer your friends. As you see here, there is different ways of how you can share your referral link to your friends. You can just use WhatsApp, Facebook, and by just copy your referral link and send it to the different platforms. If you have a talent of writing books, stories, novels, you can just be a Soul Novel writer, and get more money also from your talent. You can just use this website to join Soul Novel accounts and just make money online. So guys, thank you for watching. And if you are interested, you can download Soul Novel application on Play Store using the link down below in this video description. Ciao, see you guys.